Hello, in this video I'm just going to talk through the FormMaker Question Bank add-on for Google Forms. I've already installed it from the G Suite Marketplace and it's listed in my list of add-ons here. So when I start it, it opens this sidebar. There's two menus within it, an update form and a question bank. So I'm going to start with update form, because one of the things it allows me to do is clear existing questions, so that's just going to get rid of that one. It also allows me to set these settings for the form. So if they're ticked, it's going to it will collect emails from the users, restrict it to my domain, make all the questions required, and shuffle the questions, and it will set a default points value. So that's that bit. And on the question bank menu, you paste in here the URL of the spreadsheet where you've got your question bank. Once you've pasted that in, that button will open that question bank. So this is my question. And if you don't have a question bank sheet set up on the spreadsheet you select, it will create a question bank sheet with the appropriate headings. It won't put the questions in for you, unfortunately. So this has got two question bank sheets. I'll explain why that is in a second. So then I can specify, these are all options. I can specify the maximum number of questions I want to do. So I'm going to say 10 for now. I'm going to specify topic of geography, and I'm going to get them from the question bank 2 sheet. This is I've set up 2 on here just so you can have different sheets for different topics, or you can share one question bank amongst your colleagues, and each person can have their own sheet, so that then when that person is selecting some questions, they're not impacting on anybody else. You don't have to have a separate sheet, you just stick to the main one. And if you don't specify one in the sidebar, it will pick it up from the question bank sheet. So you can either select the questions by putting a character, an X I've chosen, next to the questions, or you can do what I'm doing here and specify a topic. And then when I fetch the questions, this spinner spins to say it's doing something, and you see it starting to build questions. It takes about a second and a half for each question, but you'll see it putting them together. And when it's finished putting the 10 questions, in this case, in, the spin will stop, and the questions will be there, and your form's ready to go. And if you look at the individual questions, it's put mark the correct answer and set the answer, the points value from the question bank, and that's it. I hope you find it useful. If you've got any comments, any questions, any suggestions, please let us know. You can contact us on the link below. I think that's everything. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.